World Brain Tumor Day, 8th June. World Brain Tumor Day is observed on 8th June every year. German Brain Tumor Association, a non-profit organization, first marked this day in the year 2000. The purpose was to spread the awareness about the brain tumor among the general public. The German Brain Tumor Association was founded in 1998 and have more than 500 registered members from 14 nations. It provides support to the patients and their family members besides scientists and health professionals. A tumor is basically an abnormal lump or growth of cells. In the body, there are mainly two main types of tumors, namely benign and malignant. If the cells in the tumor are normal, it is benign. It means something wrong happened and the cell overgrew and produced a lump. If the cells are abnormal and start growing uncontrollably, then they are cancerous cells and the tumor is malignant. A brain tumor occurs when abnormal cells produce within any part of the brain. It can be benign, non-cancerous, or malignant, cancerous. Most of the brain tumors are non-cancerous and only 1/3 of the brain tumors are cancerous, and they can occur at any stage of life. Any specific cause of brain tumor is not known yet, but many believe exposure to radiations like X-rays for a long time can cause brain tumor. Depending upon the symptoms and history, the following tests can be used to diagnose the brain tumor: MRI and CT scan, angiogram, neurological exam, spinal tap. Depending upon the type, stage, condition and position of the tumors, following treatments can be used to treat it: surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, steroid, ventricular peritoneal shunt. As per the NHP data, the majority of the patients suffering from brain tumor die within 9 to 12 months and less than 3% survive more than 3 years. So it is important to create awareness among the people about the brain tumor.